This is Eileen Fernandez Parker from Cultivating the Learning, and in this episode I'm going to be showing you how to average numbers that are in a column or a row. So in the last episode we did lunch count, and with lunch count we were doing vertical addition. This time with grades we're going to practice doing horizontal. So on this one, I'm just averaging up 4 quiz grades to get a final average just for the quizzes. And so the formula is still going to be the same. I can hit the sigma button, and this time I'm going to choose average. And if you look at the formula is equals average parenthesis, and all I have to do is click on the cells and drag across and then hit enter. Okay, and I'm going to do it 2 more times just for practice if you would do it with me. Sigma, average, click and drag, hit enter. In the next cell, sigma, average, click and drag. Now, once you get comfortable with that, I'm going to show you the shortcut. Once you have this formula, and you can see it up here, okay, once you have that formula in, if you click on the cell that has a proper formula, you'll see this little blue square in the bottom right-hand corner. When you put your cursor over that, the cursor is going to change. You're going to click on that little blue square and you're going to drag down, and it will automatically average everything else in that column. So let me show that to you again. I'm going to delete those. I'm going to select this one, and up here I can see what my formula is, okay? I'm going to click on the cell with the formula, click on the little blue square, and I can drag down. Now, if you have 1,000 kids in your school, because you are maybe the sysops person, you don't want to have to click and drag down 1,000 rows. So you can actually hover over it, and as long as there is information in the cell directly to the left of that column, if you just double click on that blue square, it will automatically copy down all the way to the last row. And it'll go as far as it can go as long as there is information in the left column. So let me explain, let me show you what that means. Let's say that Pluto Dog was absent and he didn't take the 4th quiz. When I double click on this, it only goes down as far as 45 because this one is empty. So at that point, you'd have to find it, drag down, and then double click to go the rest of the way.